In this video, I will tell you about 3D modeling in AutoCAD. When we first launch AutoCAD, it launches with this interface. We call this the drafting and annotation panel. Here, with the option located above the gear symbol, we switch to this interface. Or we can also set this as the default launch screen as well. We perform our 2D tasks in this area that we call the X and Y axis. We draw our 2D drawings here, but when we want to switch to 3D, we switch to another mode using the workspace section here. Here we have three different options. One of them is drafting and annotation. We're going to select 3D basic. Here, the most basic solid modeling commands can be seen. These are the solid conversion and editing commands. It's very simple. We also have a visualize section here. We can perform our rendering actions here. We can also edit objects with the UCS with the coordinate plane here. We can set the settings here. If we want to work on a much more comprehensive 3D project, for example, mesh modeling or surface modeling, we can perform these by transitioning to the 3D panel. We select the third option called 3D modeling and transition. Where we have solid commands, at the same time we have commands such as extrude, loft, remove, and sweep. So the solid commands are here. We also have the surface commands, mesh commands, parametric commands. Many of them can be reached directly here. How you do it is up to you. As I tell you about the interface, I will work based on 3D basic and tell you about the commands here. Here we have the basic solid model commands such as giving depth to an object. Of course, one of the most important topics for us is to transition to the 3D plane. We can now use perspective views as well. We will start using it and view our plane with X, Y, and Z. All three axes. Before we only had the X and Y axes, we can now also give depth. When we draw any rectangle, we can display it with perspective and give depth to this part. Later, we will change the visual style and display the part as a solid object. We will also set a color for the part, make it more colorful. This way, we can see our parts from any angle we want and look at them from any axis we want. We can use the coordinate plane more effectively here. In this video, we told you about how to access the 3D workspace. We hope to see you in the next video.